company I have, Akylade, we build certifications, and we specifically build certifications around specific job roles and skills that are done on a micro basis. For example, if you look at the CompTIA Security Plus, the textbook for that is around 1,000 to 2,000 pages, and most students will take that for 40 hours of training in a classroom, Monday through Friday, and they take their exam on Saturday. They report to work on Monday, and they have no idea what they're doing because they just went through and regurgitated a 1,000-page textbook that tells them a lot of the theory and the fundamentals, but doesn't actually tell them what they're doing on a daily basis. That's one of the differences with our company and the way that we built our certifications is we went and talked to hiring managers across the industry. The hiring managers are the people who actually will give you a job one day. And we said, what do you need from your candidates? Because one of the biggest problems we have in cybersecurity is there's this huge skills gap. We have a lot more jobs in cybersecurity available than people who know how to do that. And the problem is, as an employer, I don't want to hire the wrong person. Because if I hire the wrong person, that's going to cost me time and money of training them, time and money to find them, and now when I have to fire them, it costs me time and money to find their replacement. So a lot of employers go, you know what? I just won't hire somebody for that position and I'll deal without it. And so we started talking with all the employers and we said, what's your problem? They said, well, we're tired of what we call paper tigers. Paper tigers are people who you look at their resume and they've got 20 or 30 certifications, but they show up on day one and can't do the job because the certifications are not in alignment with what the workplace needs. So that's one of the things we do is we cover those things in a very tactical and hands-on manner.